Hey guys, what's happening? It's Josh from Lost Passport here again. Today I'm going to give you a quick 1-minute travel tip here in Thailand. That is motorbike taxis. So motorbike taxis are honestly one of the most useful things in all of Bangkok. It is the best way for getting around. They get you through all the traffic. They're super quick and they're just about everywhere. The thing is, most tourists here don't really know how to catch motorbike taxis, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. After this, you'll be using them every single day here in Bangkok. They are just awesome. So the motorbike taxis are generally these dudes with the orange vests on. You can tell who they are because they've got these numbers on the back of their shirts and they kind of just talk a lot and hang out. Hi, on to BTS Cup. And it's as simple as that. You just jump straight on the back. It's 20 baht. It'll take you to the train station. No walking involved, no sweat, all good. As you can see, these motorbike taxis are especially useful when the traffic is shit house and when it's really, really hot. You're going to see the traffic we're about to cut through, just slicing through the lanes. The motorbikes get around everywhere here in Bangkok, and traffic is legitimately at a standstill. It's like a parking lot here. Cup, dear Mark. Oh, perfect. 20 baht. Oh, mark up. Put a cup. 20 baht. That is like 80 cents, and you get a motorbike anywhere for about 1 kilometer. That is truly the best way to get around Bangkok when there's traffic. I hope you enjoyed that little 1-minute tip today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Cheers.